instruction.
Hi Eric, I just thought I'd show you how to make the chicken rather than send you the recipe. So first thing, I've just got some garlic oil, just a small amount in the pan, and a little bit of chili oil in the pan, and a small amount of garlic.
That's what we call small here in Australia.
A small amount. And your favourite, of course, sambal oleg. Only a little bit. I'm going to overpower it. That's enough. Bit that fell into the stove.
He's going to regret that soon.
And these are the onions I prepared earlier. Red onion, finely chopped. So I'm just frying the mixture of onion, garlic, oil and the sambal oleg until the red onion loses its colour. It's on a moderately high heat. And over here you can see I've got the chicken already prepared, cut up into chunks. You can see I've got the chef hat on and chef apron. When we put the chicken in, we don't want to overcook it. We want to cook it on a high heat so that it just goes a little light brown on all sides. We don't want to overcook it because it becomes a bit rubbery. So the onions, garlic, oil, sambal oleg mix, just about done. So our chicken. Send me the cat, come to watch.
Oh, Eric, I miss you.
So I've got the chicken in now, and on a reasonably high heat, and we want to make sure that chicken just gets done just lightly on each side. We'll move it around the pan. So we'll wait for that to cook, and then we'll be back. So the chicken's been cooking not for very long, but you can see it's lightly brown, and the onion mix is all nicely dispersed. So the next thing we're going to do is add our chicken stock. Just enough to cover the chicken a little bit, not completely. And we'll leave the heat up now and we'll just let this boil away. So we'll let that cook away. So you can see that we've boiled the chicken stock down, so now it's become a little bit more jammy. And we're going to add the wine now. You don't need a lot of wine.
This is the wine that you got given from the Pasteli Pearl lady from Ursula. Some for the cook here. Quick sip. And back there.
Yeah, we'll just let that boil down again. So we'll leave that alone for a little while. And while this is happening, we're preparing the pasta. So we've reduced the wine down, and again it's gone like a jam. So at this stage I turn it off, the heat off, and we're going to add our basil, pesto, pecorino and cashews. Don't need a whole lot of it. So the heat's off now, that's probably enough. Mix that in. And the water's now boiling, so we'll get the pasta ready in a sec. heat's off on that. We'll leave that set. So we've got the pasta ready, and we're just going to add that to the chicken mix, and you can see that it's quite thick, still a little bit of sauce there. And we'll just mix that in. A little bit of heat underneath.
Hot and spicy, just like the cook.
Get the pasta coated with the sauce. And now we can serve it up. So.
And that looks absolutely delicious, and as you know, is perfect. And one big smile from the cook